Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Fahrenheit to Celsius on your Midea AC remote. First, make sure your Midea AC unit and remote are both turned on. This ensures the remote can communicate with the unit effectively. Next, find the mode or temp button on your remote. These buttons are usually clearly labeled and easy to spot. We'll use these to access the temperature settings. Let's get started with the first step. Now, to access the temperature unit settings, you'll typically need to press and hold a specific button. On many Midea remotes, holding the mode button for about 5 seconds will do the trick. If that doesn't work, try pressing and holding both the temp up and temp down buttons simultaneously. You should then see the temperature unit, either F for Fahrenheit or C for Celsius, begin to flash on the remote's display, indicating it's ready for a change. Once the F or C is flashing, you're ready to switch the unit. Simply press the mode button again, or sometimes a set button, to toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius. You'll see the display instantly change to your desired unit. To confirm and save your selection, you might need to press an OK or Enter button. If not, just wait about 5 seconds, and the remote will usually save the new setting automatically. Your AC will now display temperatures in Celsius. If you're having trouble, first check your remote's batteries. Low power can sometimes prevent settings from saving correctly. If the display is dim or unresponsive, fresh batteries often solve the issue. Also, remember that Midea has many different remote models, so if these steps don't quite match, always refer to your specific AC unit's user manual for precise instructions. And hey, while you're making changes, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.